So these are problems that are from our given worksheet. So now what do? We try to cancel out common terms. 5 cancels 25 as 5 times. Fine. And how about 12 and 34? We don't have anything common. So we take 2, 6 as 12 and 2, 17. Now 17 multiplies with 5. 16, 5 is 80. So 17, 5 should be 85. So this is an 85 upon a 6. Is it fine, bacha? And now we have a plus. If I want to do in baby steps, then I'll do one more step out here. This. Now the plus will multiply the bracket. Plus multiplies the minus, it becomes minus 11 by 6. I think after this you know how to do it. 85 minus 10 is how much? 75. 11 means it will be 74. Still some sort of, these things are possible. So what is it? 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6, 1 14, 2 7s are 14. So it is 37 upon 3. 37 is a prime number. No further simplification is possible. Now if you want to do it in this manner, 3 11 times is 33 and 11 4 by 3. This is how you do it. I'll wait for you. You can do the steps and copy this problem. By that time, the next child, whatever problem you have, you can tell me the next problem so that I get ready. 32 करना है. ठीक है बच्चा, 32 करेंगे. 32. बिल्कुल. Verification we will do. You do this. Whoever has a problem in 31, please copy, finish it, and then we do 32. Okay. Till that time, I'm just writing the question of 32 so that we are ready with the question. Achha, what is the status on 9.1 of R.D. Sharma or 2.1 of R.D. Sharma? All of you? Done? Then we'll move to 9.2 and in new books it will be 2.2. Verify that. A into this is the distributive property which you are trying to verify. Are we done copying this problem? Then we can proceed with this one. Yeah. No, I told you there is no verification. You just solve the problems. Okay. Shall we go ahead with this one? Okay. So we are given A is equal to this, and all of you have a look so that you understand if you have done correctly also how it should be done. So you have to verify this. So once you verify this, you always write what is the left hand side of what you are trying to verify. The left hand side is A into B plus C. So we substitute. A is how much, beta? Negative 2 by 3 multiplies with 2 upon negative 5 plus negative 3 by 4. Now whenever there is a negative, please put a bracket. Is this step clear? Okay. In our next step, we will just clean it for the minuses. So it's a minus 2 upon 3. Okay, let's clean it further. This becomes a negative 2 by 5. The positive multiplies with this, so it becomes a negative 3 upon 4. Is this step understood? Okay, so obviously we should handle the bracket first. So it's a negative 2 upon 3. And what is the LCM of 5 and 4? 20. So this multiplies with 4 makes it negative 8. And this multiplies with 5 makes it negative 15. Now how much is it? Negative 2 upon 3. And then negative 8, negative 15. So negative 23. Negative 23 upon 20. The negatives and the negatives cancel each other, and 2 cancels 20 as 10 times. 23 is a prime number. We can't do anything. So it becomes 23 by 30. This is the value of your LHS. And if you have to prove that this statement is correct, now we start with the RHS and we show that the RHS also comes as 23 by 30. है ना? इसका वैल्यू आया मोनू, इसका भी वैल्यू आना पड़ेगा मोनू, तभी तो ये इक्वल टू ये हुआ. चलें अभी RHS करके देखते हैं. आ जाइए. I hope I'll be able to finish it here. What is the RHS? A into B. Okay, and here we will have a plus A into C. Okay. Now let's do A into B. negative 2 upon 3 multiplied by B 2 upon negative 5. This is being added with negative 2 upon 3 multiplied with C, which is negative 3 upon 4. Now children, pay attention out here. Look, I have a negative on the numerator, I have a negative on the denominator, they cancel each other, right? And 2 and 2 multiplies becomes 4, 5 and 3 becomes 15. So this is a 4 upon 15. Anyone has doubt on this? No. Then obviously my plus comes the way it is. And then negative into negative makes it how much? Positive. So I have got a 3 and a 3. The denominator, numerator 3 cancels each other. And the 2 cancels this 4 as 2. So basically I have a 1 by 2 out here. Perfect. So I write a 1 by 2 out here. Now 15 and 2, the LCM will always be 30. Okay. So out here 15, 2. 2, 4 is 8. And 2 and 30 is 15. So 15. So 15 plus 8 is how much? 23 upon 30. So we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. This is the right way of doing this problem. Nowhere did I put ORs. And chronologically correct. Don't jump steps. Shortcut आपको कभी भी success नहीं देगा. Shortcut is momentary happiness. It is like what you know. Software में trial version आता है ना. 10 मिनट 3 days चलाने के बाद now your trial is over, buy the software. ये वैसा ही है. Shortcut नहीं करने का. Yes. Any next question? Anyone? From the question paper कोई भी कुछ नहीं कर पाया है. You said you had some problems and now you are keeping mum. Then how your problems will be addressed? You tell me. Yes, sir. Question 39. Okay. Question 39. Which 39? Which part, beta? Fifth one. Okay. Let's go to question 39. Fifth one. Oh, kapra ka wala problem. Cloth problem, right? Question 39. Fifth one. It says that cost of, so I'll write now whatever is given to me. Let's first write down the given data. And this is how you do a problem. Given. What is given? Cost of 3.2 meter cloth is this. So given, the first thing that is given is cost of how much? 3 2 by 5. 3 2 by 5, which is equal to how much? 5 3s are 15 to 17. Okay, 17 meter cloth is equal to rupees how much? How much is it? 88 and half. 88 and half. This is equal to how much? 2. 88 becomes how much? 80 80 160. 8 and 8 16. 196. 196 and 1 becomes 197. Have we understood? Okay. Now what we have to find? What is the to find? Now we write to find cost of 1 meter cloth. Now see. Again, the system has hung up. Huh? Just 1 minute, Vito. Cost of, yeah, have a doubt?
88 and a half is equal to 176.
88, oh, 88 is 160, 176, 177, sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. It's 177. My mistake. Sorry. 88 2 is 80, 80, 160, 176, 177 upon 2. Right, fine? Now, cost of 1 meter cloth. So at this moment, what you do? At this moment, whenever such problems come, initially this will, after some days, this will become very easy. Now, whatever I'm writing, this is your thinking process, how you should think. Cost of 5 pens, make an easy problem, is equal to rupees 10. Simple. Then what is the cost of 1 pen? 2 rupees. 2 rupees is not important. How did you get the 2 rupees? 10 divided by 5. अपने यहाँ 10 क्या है? 172 by this. अपना 5 क्या है? 17 by 5. Now starts our, so now we do our workout and we say cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to 177 by 2, which is our 10, and we'll divide it with 5 divided by 17 by 5. Don't jump step again, Sharvesh. We'll do it one by one. So what's the next step? 177 by 2 multiplied by 70. Now you can solve it, whatever it is. So whatever it is, write that is equal to rupees something, whatever it will be. 17 into 2 is how much? 34, and 7 5 35 5, 3 carry over, 7 5 35, and 3 38, 3 5 1 5, and 3 is 8 rupees. Now the question arises, sir, since it is an improper fraction, should I convert it into a mixed fraction? If I am the teacher, I'll give you full marks here also. And if you have time and you want to convert, जबरदस्ती का रिस्क क्यों लेते हो? एक जाके गलती कर दोगे, आपको तो सिर्फ कॉस्ट पूछा ना, तो आप कॉस्ट पे छोड़ दीजिए. Next, any other problem in that worksheet? Like 9.2, let's see a couple of type of problems of 9.2. It's exercise 9.2, and if you're using a new book, then it's 2.2, whatever you say. Let's take the first problem. Okay. Again, can you read this problem for me? 2x, here you will get all rational format. 2x plus 5 by 3
equals to 3x
minus 10. This exercise will be filled up with problems. Even I told you what are the problems you should not do from R.S. Agarwal. Now you remember? Then why the book did not come? Then अभी सब याद आ रहा है ना, यहां पे लिखा था. तो नाउ आई विल रेफर. अब जब आप सुबह आज साइकिल चला के क्रिकेट खेलने जा रहे थे विद द क्रिकेट स्टंप एंड एवरीथिंग, नाउ यू आर गिविंग मी अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अटैक यू. You ensure that your cricket kit bag is full. Why can't you put that dedication for here? Do you get it? For no fault of yours, see, like an octopus, I'm attacking you. सुबह मिले थे ना हम लोग, और तेरे पे प्रेशर डबल है. तेरे घर से जो रिजल्ट हुआ है ना, उसके बाद तेरे पे प्रेशर डबल है. चलो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम करने की कोशिश करते हैं. These problems all work with cross multiplication. So whenever this happens, ये देखो बच्चा, let's see. So in your mind, ये जब भी मैं येलो से बनाता हूं ना, येलो क्या है? येलो है मन, नॉट मैन. हाँ, मन की बात. ये स्कूल में नहीं लिखना है, ये मन की बात है. मन की बात. मन की बात में यहां पे एक 1 है. कोई भी आदमी अकेला नहीं आता है, वो अपना चेयर लेके आता है घर से. 1 है यहाँ मन की बात. अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होगा. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई क्या होता है भाई साहब? ये इसको अटैक मारेगा, ये इसको अटैक मारेगा. समझ में आया? चलिए अगला स्टेप देखते हैं. अब now 1 when it attacks, so we retain 2x plus 5. Did you see what is the symbol I put here? Because there was a and 3 opens, goes and raids the bracket 3x minus 10, and you will put this bracket because it's a monomial multiplying a binomial. समझ में आया? आइए अगला स्टेप करते हैं. 2x plus 5 becomes equals to, now 3 goes and raids this bracket, distributive property, 9x, very good, minus 30. Now our next job is all the Magan Lals on one side, Chagan Lals on one side. So let's get the Magan Lals. Who are the Magan Lals? It's minus 9x is equal to minus 30 minus 5. Or negative 7x is equal to negative 35. When we write negative 7x is equal to negative 35, okay, at that moment, we have the authority to, because this authority we have because there is no other term associated with 35 or 7x. अगर यहाँ 7x plus some mn रहता तब नहीं काट सकते. ठीक है? So x becomes equals to this is your answer. ठीक है? फोर्थ नहीं, मैं इससे भी आगे चलूंगा. Now you tell me 11th problem. मैं बीच से उठाऊंगा कुछ. I know there you will go and limp. Copy this. This is done. Okay. Now you narrate me the 11th problem. Okay. I'm just writing the question. Question number 11. 3x by 4 minus
x minus 1 by 2
x minus 1 by 2
equals to
हाँ
x minus 2 by 3.
x minus 2 by 3. ये प्रॉब्लम करते वक्त लास्ट ईयर ये प्रॉब्लम करते वक्त एम्बुलेंस बुलाना पड़ गया था. ये तो एम्बुलेंस वाला प्रॉब्लम, बच्चे बीमार हो जाते हैं यहीं पे, है ना. ये प्रॉब्लम आप कैसे करेंगे? ठीक है. Yeah, second and third. No, second and third, which you know to do, let's not waste the time here. That we can do at home also. Have you understood? यहाँ पे सीखते हैं प्रॉब्लम को. So the tuition is not here. Here you don't come to do, children, start making bread. सीखा क्या फिर? That job you can do at home also. For that you don't need to come to my class. Here you come to learn. 2 and 3 you know. I also know. Let's see this problem now. Have you seen this problem? Whenever you see this, अब मन की बात सुनो. Whenever you see this negative, आप सबसे पहले इसको कपड़े पहनाइए. समझ में आया? और इसको कपड़े ऐसे नहीं पहनाएंगे, ऐसे कपड़े पहना दो. नेगेटिव देखते ही कपड़े पहना दो, नहीं तो आपका ये प्रॉब्लम 100% कचरा होगा. गीगो, गार्बेज इन इज गार्बेज आउट. Which one are you doing, darling? You're not doing this. Never lie. Tell the truth. What are you doing? Why? You follow English? No, look at me. Look into my eyes. He asked me, can I do 2 and 3? Did I speak with him in Tamil? I think I spoke in English. After that, if you are doing, then I call it disobedience. And I will not say don't do 2 and 3. Please continue. I will not say anything. You know, a human being has got something called conscience. All of you know that? What is conscience? The inner voice. Suppose you steal this pen from my house today. The conscience will first tell you, don't steal. If you still go ahead and steal it, because I've been educated in a Christian missionary school. So there we are taught subjects like moral science. Listen to this story. Next, still if you go ahead and steal it, you have overpowered the conscience. Conscience will become quiet. Next time when you steal another pen from my house, conscience will never say anything. क्योंकि वो लेवल पे, अब next time if you steal a still more valuable thing from my house, again conscience will say no. When we elders speak to you, we are like your conscience. He asked me a question, whether it is good, bad, scold or not. I told him in such a manner that he has understood. No, everyone has understood. After that, if somebody still continues with a problem, then I will not say anything. It's not my job. I have told him because he's new to my class. I will not say. But imagine, I'm also a human being. I also have ego. You know what is ego? So I will also take this revenge. You know when I'll take this revenge? And I will always be the last person to laugh. I very well know when you go home and do this problem, you'll get stuck up in this. At that time, you'll send a query to me. That time, I won't reply to you. I will reply copying the parents also. When I was doing this problem in the class, you preferred not to watch it and do your job. Video is attached for reference. I will even enclose this video of 10 minutes, which will hardly take 150 MB on low resolutions, sufficiently clarity to observe on mobile. आप कमीना तो मैं सुपर कमीना, है ना, और मैं घर में बैठ के वो इंस्टाग्राम में था वैसा हंसूंगा मैं, मजा आएगा ना मेरे को भी. And with very mincing my words, mind you, when I write in a word in a way in which it will be a lot of sugar, but inside poison is there. I do get your point, Anay, but when I was explaining this, you, despite my advisory, preferred to go ahead with an easy problem. The video is attached for reference. However, if you have a problem, do get back to me. तब तक इसका मम्मी डैडी इसका कर चुका होगा. Why are you not paying attention when the sir is teaching? अपने को तो वही चाहिए, इसको धुलाई होना चाहिए. लेकिन हम नहीं बोलना, हमने नहीं बोला पीटो इसको, लेकिन पिटवाना खिलवाएंगे बेटा बढ़िया से. समझ में आया? Because if you are Cummins, I am super Cummins. Remember that. चलो ऐसे बता दिया. अब आगे चलते हैं. इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे और आ गया हमारा. ठीक है, अब मन की बात वाली स्टेप तो हो गई. चलो अब क्लीन करते हैं इसको. So this becomes a 3x by 4. Now how do we clean it? This is the x minus 1 by 2. So we take the minus. It becomes x by 2. and the minus again reads this becomes a plus 1 by 2. Obviously on this side I have a x by 3 and I have a 2 by 3. Is this clear? Now the next step is the Magan Lals on one side, Chhagan Lals on one side. So let's bring all the Magan Lals on one side. 3x by 4 minus x upon 2 minus x upon 3 equals to whatever here it was upon 3 and minus 1 by 2. Excellent. Now 4 and 2 LCM is always 4. 4 and 3 the LCM is 12. देखो कितना फास्ट हो गए हो आप लोग. पहले आप इसी को कैसे करते हैं, ये लिख कैसे करोगे, अब करने की जरूरत नहीं. अब वो दिमाग से निकाल दो. मैंने जो डाटा ना उसको लेके बैठा मत रहो. I am always like a pressure cooker. I get angry very quickly and cool down very quickly. Not like Advait, that just because I scolded him, his face is like a broken laddu hole throughout the class. I'm not like that. I get angry quickly and I went out. Have you seen pressure cooker? सीटी बजते प्रेशर निकल गया, बस. चले आगे इसमें, चलो. So the LCM is 12. 4 times 3, 3, 3, 9x. This becomes 6x. This becomes 4x. Able to understand how I got this step? Very good. That makes my day. And 3 and 2, the LCM is 6. So this becomes negative 4 and negative 3. Let's solve it further. 9 minus, so this is a 10x and 9x minus 10x is a negative x upon 12. Do you get it?
12 by 6.
And negative 7 by 6. Am I fine? Right? Now we'll do some Mazedar things. What are the Mazedar things? We are now quite grown up. The negative takes away the negative. समझ में आया? ये लोग क्या है, जमीन के नीचे आक्रमण करेगा ये लोग. Tunnel warfare. Now see the tunnel warfare. 6 2s are 12 straight away. That means what is left here? 1. 1 is left here. And this 2 goes and multiplies this 7 directly. If you don't know this step, you can go by baby steps also. I don't mind. So x becomes 2 into 7, which is x is equal to 14. Children, did you understand what underground warfare I did here? This warfare is allowed only when no attachments are there. Only monomial. Changu and Mangu. If Changu is coming with his friend Gangu, then you cannot do this. Mangu. Have you understood? Changu and Mangu, then we can do underground warfare also over the skies. Air version missile, submarine version, both can work. And actually what you did, if you are that kiddo class, then in kiddo class, let's do it like this. Good morning, ma'am step. This is good morning, ma'am step. Same is the answer. 6 takes away. Ma'am, it's coming 14. Yeah, 14, correct. The way you want to do it. One more problem we will do. Gajab. If I do all from the unsolved one, then you guys, no, example 5. You read example 5 for me. Okay. Have you copied this problem? Because that example 5 will land up in some question. Have you copied this? Copied this tick tick 1? Copied this tick tick 2? Copied this tick tick 3? Shall I go ahead? Chaliye. 5 bola. Hey, what happened? You didn't copy your word. You were what? Enjoying the magic. Huh? Chalo, you can copy from the class note. Go ahead with the next one. Okay, tell me the example 5. Example 5 mein to we had to call for doctors and paramedics last year.
2x plus 8.
No, x minus
2x plus 8 by 3 by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 into x minus 2 minus x by 6.
x minus 2
x separated 2 minus x by 6.
एक बार देख लेता हूं तो क्या बोली है, नहीं तो गड़बड़ लिखूंगा. 1 by 4 into x minus 2. Oh, not like that. 1 by 4 multiply. अभी बोलो x minus. What was it?
2 minus x by 6.
2 minus x by 6 bracket close.
Minus 3.
Minus 3 is outside, right? Is the question copied correctly?
Yeah.
नहीं, क्वेश्चन करेक्ट नहीं. आप एग्जांपल नहीं देखोगे, अब उसको बंद कर दो. अभी आप वापस एक्सरसाइज में, आपको सॉल्व एग्जांपल नहीं देखना है. Have I copied it correctly? अब इस प्रॉब्लम में कुछ नहीं है. They have just made the kitchen a hodgepodge mess and given to you. All your job is to arrange the kitchen. How will we arrange the kitchen? Let's try and see. First of all, मन की बात. We see that there is a negative out here. प्लीज पुट वन एडिशनल ब्रैकेट आउट हियर, अदरवाइज आपका प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा कचरा। ठीक है, चलें आगे। श्रेयस बेटा रेडी? सर्विस डार्लिंग रेडी? And we also saw one more negative. Oh, we didn't see this. Anna, is the rain coming on the window? No, is it getting wet? If it is getting wet, Shreyas utna. Yeah, it's raining suddenly. नहीं, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, इसमें पानी आ जाता है। आया क्या? नहीं आया ना? ठीक है, गीला है। हाँ, तो आप एक काम करो, इसको खोलिए, ग्लास को निकालिए। वेरी गुड, ये रॉक, केयरफुल, या वेरी गुड। चलो आगे चलते हैं। और सो लेट्स चेंज आवर कलर फ्रॉम मन की बात तो दिल की बात। x minus 2x by 3 minus 8 by 3 is equal to, wait, we are supposed to, now here is the lafda, we are supposed to first give priority to the VIPs. There are a lot of VIPs out here. So we keep our 1 by 4 as usual, and here we keep our x minus 2 upon 6 plus x upon 6. Bacha, is it correct? Minus 3. Have you understood? कुछ नहीं, स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाने का, एकदम टेंशन नहीं लेने का। टेंशन देने का चीज है, लेने का नहीं, दूसरे को टेंशन देने का। अब 1 by 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, देन ओके। I know your hands must be itching, sir. 2 by 24 is 1 by 12. Don't show your mathematical superiority. Let us not be like this. ठीक है, अब तो प्रॉब्लम पिछले जैसा हो गया ना। From here can you do all alone? Let's bring the Magan Lals on one side and Chagan Lals on one side. Ning 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 ning. Okay, children. 4 and 24, what is the LCM? Always 24. And 24 and 3, always 24. देखो 4 6 जा 24. क्या 4 24 का कत्ल कर सकता है? कर सकता है। क्या 3 24 का कत्ल कर सकता है? कर सकता है। और नहीं तो भूतनी को ऐसे देखो, 3 और 4 का एलसीएम कितना है? 12। क्या 12 24 का कत्ल कर सकता है? कर सकता है। तो सारी बातों में हमारा एलसीएम है 24। तो यहाँ पे कितना आया? 24x माइनस 16x। सर 16 कहां से हुआ? 8 या 24 होता है, तो 8 इंटू 2 16 माइनस 4 6 तो 6x माइनस x इक्वल टू 24। अब इसमें मजा क्या आ रहा है पता है? देखो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करेंगे? डिंग 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 डिंग। सो दिस इज माइनस 2 माइनस 24 3 times, 25 3 times is 75, reduce 3 from there 72। And then 3 is into this is how much? 8 is 24. So 8 is how much? 64. 3 8 is 24 ना? So 8 8 is 64. That's 9 मत बोल, तूने भी एक होमवर्क में वो गलती किया है, क्वेश्चन को गलत कॉपी करके जबरदस्ती मैच करवा दिया फिर आंसर, और नहीं तो क्या। चलो अब हियर ऑल्सो वी कैन डू सम सबमरीन वॉरफेयर। मिसाइल मार दो, मजा आया। अब प्रॉब्लम छोटा हो गया, देख अब प्रॉब्लम करते हैं कैसे, क्या करेंगे? 24 16 माइनस 6 इज हाउ मच बेटा? 22, और ये हो गया 25। बेसिकली इट इज अ माइनस एक्स। कैसे किया मैंने? देखो 16 और 6 में कितना होता है? नहीं माइनस एक्स नहीं होगा, सॉरी एक्स रहेगा, सॉरी 16 और 6 में कितना होता है बेटा? 22 and 1 23 and this is 24, so it becomes x equal to, यहां पे कितना है? वाओ, -2 and 72 -74, और यहाँ पे तो यहाँ पे कितना आया? -10। ये होता है मैथ्स करने का तरीका। मजा आया? क्या बारिश आ रही है, घर बार उड़ जाएंगे आज। What rains? This is all। हाँ वो तो गीला है, मैं इसलिए बैल्कनी साफ ही नहीं कर रहा हूं। दिस इज ऑल कार गंदा करने वाला रेंज. Where have we gone from linear equation? This book is all gone. Nonsense. अरे रुक जा मेरी माँ. और नहीं तो कि अम्मा की तरह चिल्ला रहा है. -10. कौन सा क्वेश्चन चाहिए? बिल्कुल करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल 10. आप बोलिए, आपकी खिदमत में हम हाजिर हैं. Let us put Anay's book into the way. If it is wet, we'll see by the ink. देखो पेबल में पावर नहीं है, हमारे घर पे है. कहाँ बैकअप? इन्वर्टर है. Full backup. Other people might be very jealous now. See, they're all in dark. We should remove the curtain and show them. हाँ, पर यहाँ थोड़ी नहीं, यहाँ कम से कम 5 घंटा चलेगा. आपका क्लास तो होगा. चले आगे. आज बताइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 क्या है? जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, दूसरा बैच आ जाएगा. Question number 10 is the last problem I am doing. 2x
plus
3 whole square. Okay.
plus 2x minus 3 whole square.
अच्छा बेटा, ये प्रॉब्लम आप छोड़ दो अभी, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो a plus b whole square फॉर्मूला. आता है? a square plus 2x a square plus 2ab plus b square. Do you know that? All of you know that? तब तो बढ़िया. चलो 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 फिर चलो. हाँ, आ जाओ.
Is equal to
हाँ.
x plus 6 brackets minus 1 in brackets plus 2.
8x plus 6. What? This girl ना, the way she speaks. आप ना एक नौकरी मत करना लाइफ में. You never take a job in ATC, air traffic control. You'll land the aircraft in some river. 9W216 clearing Piramcheru Lake for you. Clear to land. आगे वहीं पे लैंड हो गया. Plus I can see some droplets of water coming. Okay, plus 22. आसान सा प्रॉब्लम है. A plus b whole square. It is a square. A square means the entire square. Children, if you know the formula, fine. If you don't know, after algebra you'll know. This is a minus b. Okay? And the formula is always a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab b square. And if the formula is a minus b whole square, then this becomes minus. That's all. Shortcut, you know. That's why we do maths. दूसरा बार थोड़ी लिखेंगे बेवकूफ की तरह. a square plus 2ab, 2 into 2x into 3 plus b square, that is 3 square, plus ये again 2x whole square. Right? Now you will be asking, sir, in linear equation why this square is coming? अब देखो मैथ्स कैसे नहीं, कैसे कैंसिल होगा? ये 2x square, ये भी plus 2x square. 2x square कितना होता है? 4x square. 4x square. इधर 8x square बन रहा है दूसरे साइड में. देखो मेरे लिए मेरा कोई लाइफ पार्टनर उधर बना हुआ है, उसके साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा. चिंता नहीं करने का. Have you understood the game? 2x square minus 2ab, 2 into 2x into 3 plus 3 square is equal to, now try to do it binomial. 8x into, this will become 8x multiplied by x minus 1 plus 6 multiplied by x minus 1 plus 22. Have you understood? Did you understand this step or not? Binomial, in binomial, this one goes and attacks, then plus comes plus, then this one goes and attacks. You understood? Shall we go ahead? So this becomes how much? 4x square. Now look at here. Plus 2 Maganlal Chaganlal minus 2 Maganlal Chaganlal. Hato isko. Cancel. Did you understand? Okay. So 4x square plus a lot of पानी अंदर आ रहा है और उसमें भी बोर्ड में आ रहा है. अभी क्या, इसको बंद करने से गर्मी हो जाएगा अभी घर में. ठीक है. 4x को हाँ बस, हमको नहीं तो मरेंगे हम इसमें गर्मी में. 4x square and this becomes how much? Another 4x square. 3 square is 9 and this 3 square is also 9. ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. This becomes 8x square minus 8x plus 6x minus 6 plus 22. चल बच्चा, क्विक क्विक क्विक. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? 4x square 8x square, यही पॉइंट है लाइफ. 4 plus 4 is 8. इसलिए कट गया. कितना रहा यहाँ पे? 18 is equal to how much? 8x and 6x -2x, और इधर कितना है -6 और 22 करेंगे तो +16। ठीक है, मजा आ रहा है? Do you now do now some more interesting mathematics? देखो 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 इंटरेस्टिंग, देखो अभी देखो 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 see here, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16. Okay, just 1 minute. Anyway, your class is going to end now. So this becomes what? 9 is equal to -x plus 8. So bring x this side, becomes positive 8 minus 9. So x is equal to -1.